don't forget to subscribe and turn on notification.
Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to make a database connection in PHP. So create a file, call it database.php. Yes, that's the way. So start your PHP file, PHP. So make or create a variable which will hold the PHP connection. Con is equal to MySQL. We use MySQL connect function for connecting or for making database connection. Inside this you need to specify IP address. We are using localhost, so write localhost. Yes, specify user is the root. Specify password null. Here you can specify database or you can just skip. Then later you can use DB MySQL for DB select, MySQL select DB for selecting database. So let's say we want to make a direct connection to the database called the books. So here write books. Yes. So here write if no connection or connection failed, display something. Let's say die. Let's say connection failed. Dot MySQL error. Yes, that's way. Else you can echo connection okay. Connection okay. So that's it. Now you can run this PHP file on your browser to see what happened. Database.php. Now you can see access denied for user root using password yes. So make some changes. Oh, there is a mistake here. It should be single quote. Yes. Then refresh back. Now you can see connection is okay. So that is how you can make database connection in PHP. Thanks for watching. This is end of tutorial. Do not forget to like, put comment, share and subscribe for next video updates.
Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notification.